The CBSE Class 10th exams were held from 1st March to 28th March this year.
And the total of 14,91,293 students appeared for it.
As per official data, the girls have recorded a pass percentage of 96.36%, while boys recorded 96.11%.
Thiruvananthapuram region has recorded the highest pass percentage in country at 99.87.
Let's talk to some of the toppers and ask them how they prepared and what advice they would like to give to their juniors. Can you describe the moment when you were declared as a CBSE topper?
When I was declared as a CBSE topper, I was on the top of the world. I could not believe my eyes, and that was there. I scored 10.
I was very happy when I was declared as a CBSE topper. I had been waiting for this day since long, and I was very excited for this.
That was extremely overwhelming, and I felt like being on top of the world that time.
I actually couldn't believe because when I opened the site of CBSE results, I actually refreshed it 2 to 3 times that is it my score. Then it was actually mine. My parents are so happy and I am so happy.
What study pattern did you follow?
I used to continuously keep on practicing what was taught and just not working so hard studying day and night, but just studying according to the hours fixed by me.
The thing which I followed was not to study only. We could always leave some time for our refreshment, because if we only studied, then our minds would get blocked, and so that it would not help at all. So I used to study and take breaks at times, so that it helped to refresh my mind.
Actually, there was not a particular pattern, but just to stay focused and calm without taking any stress.
Study pattern, it was actually advised by my mom. She told me to learn and study whatever the syllabus was. In the 1 month we were given for the CBSE, and we studied and then we revised in the last 1 week of the exams. And then we also took some rest and we played and we had some outings for relaxing, so that our mind is not stuck with the studies and we can relax and we can learn and take up more.
Piece of advice would you like to give the students preparing for boards?
For the students who are preparing for the boards, I would like to say that focus on learning what you are taught and not only remembering them. So that it can help you in your future too, and not only for the exam. So remember what you study.
Just study with full focus and play at the time which you have decided for playing, and don't stay awake till late night. Just be relaxed.
To make a particular study time and not to take so much of stress at that time and tension.
I think they should follow the teachers, whatever the teachers tell, because they really give good advice for the boards. And whatever they teach in the class, they should take the notes and just follow their teachings, and also whatever their parents tell them to do, and follow their parents.
All those sleepless nights, those endless hours of studying and then worrying are now over.
The results have been announced. The toppers felicitated.
It's now time for them to select the course for their future. On this note, this is Sanskruti
And this is Muskan with camera person Rahul signing off for
Beyond Breaking News.